Southwest monsoon 2020, which is counted from the 1st of June to 30th of September, recorded the highest ever area weighted state average seasonal total value of 4203.7 mm, that is 420 centimeters or 165.5 inches of rainfall. This was 41% higher than the normal value, and the wettest day in this monsoon season was on June 17th, when it was recorded 137 mm of that day's average rainfall. Now if we check the previous year's records, we can see that before 2020, the second highest seasonal total rainfall was recorded in the year 1961, which was a value of 4097 mm or approximately 161 inches of rainfall. And the third highest was recorded in the year 1970. Seasonal total was 4005 mm in that year, 1970. Now, along with that, we have to also mention that in the year 2020 we have almost 13 stations which are reporting daily rainfall, whereas in 1961 it was only 5 stations, and in 1970 we have data of around 9 to 10 stations. Another peculiar thing about this 2020 Southwest monsoon season was the rainfall and the monsoon activity was distributed throughout the 4 months. If we compare with monsoon of 2019, we can see that the rainfall was much lesser in the first month, that is in June. If we consider this particular monsoon season, in June itself the rainfall was 15% higher than that particular month's normal value. In June it was 15, in July it was 17% higher, in August it was 64% higher, and in September it was 146% higher than normal. The August rainfall of this season was actually the 4th highest in the entire recorded data, and September rainfall was 2nd highest in the entire recorded set of data. Now if we consider the station wise rainfall, among the 13 stations the highest cumulative total was recorded at Perne, which recorded 5015 mm of rainfall, which stands approximately at 197 inches of rainfall. Then it was Kepem, which reported 4604 mm. Then it was Ponda, which reported 4542 mm. Valpoi and Sankli also reported around 4500 mm of rainfall. Out of these 13 stations, the lowest was from Marmagaon, which was 3590 mm. That itself is around 141 inches of rainfall. Panji reported a total of 3851 mm of rainfall in this particular monsoon season.